La SOS, South Africa. Rina Kuluva, here we go! Wala Really, it's crazy, that's crazy. But this is where it started. It's just where the feeling started. Today we are on fire, girl. Now this is like what remains of the red session. What we're going to spin. We're going to experience the culture of spinning. It's not just guys. It's not just it's girls as well. Hot girls. Woo! I'm excited.
Move your head into the sun, darling.
There we go. The spirit in the air. Say, I feel like I was the one spinning this car, but I will soon. Give me time. A few weeks. I'll do for it. But you know the spirit is quite.